How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard sound on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on sounds and vibration. Next, go down, then tap on system sound, and then tap on Samsung keyboard toggle button to switch off or turn on the Samsung keyboard sound. So here, when I turn it on, if I open up my keyboard, you can see it will make some noise when I tap on the key, and if I switch it off, now it will not make any sound when I tap on the keyboard keys. And that's it. Finally, just tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.